Okay, in this, my last video, I just want to kind of summarize all the stuff that we talked about so you remember these pieces. So I've talked a lot in my books and in my talks about Feed the Feed the Need, my first book, and Feed the Need Teen Edition, about everything available on Amazon, by the way, and through my website. You can link there too. And I've talked about the 4 core needs, and one of them being control. And I talked about how in this series about how trying to exercise some control over what felt like an uncontrollable situation really helped to ease my anxiety, because that's where anxiety comes from, is in that difference between what we want to control and what we can't control. And so I looked at the control need. I also looked at that connection piece, that connecting with others and reaching out in the midst of what I felt was shame and blame and hatred. Reaching out and putting that out on Facebook was not just to try to find the culprit, because I clearly wanted to get evidence in that vein, but also to connect with other people, and through these videos to connect with you, to ease that kind of suffering that I felt of feeling so targeted. And validation was another huge one that I really felt like connected throughout all of this experience, of feeling validated not only for the terrible experience, but for the way in which I was handling it and incorporating it and making something good out of it, which leads to that 4th need, which is passion and purpose, and that I'm going through suffering for a reason. And that's to teach others, to help others, and to become a better image of myself. And I also just wanted to talk about stress, drama, and isolation, and how when you create drama like that, like this woman did, and when you externalize your pain and try to put it on somebody else, you end up creating more of what you don't want than more of what you do. And that is such a pity, because if in fact she'd taken that pain and tried to work through it on the inside, or in a more peaceful manner, she might have actually gotten rid of it. But now she's just multiplied it. So I hope this series has been helpful to you. I look forward to connecting with you on Facebook, on LinkedIn, any way you want. Give me a call, send me an email, buy a book, invite me to talk at your office, at your club, at your organization. Personally, I'd love to help even more. Take care. Bye-bye.